The Schlage LiNK Bridge is necessary to connect all of your components to your system. Locate your bridge to begin setup. Find the bridge MAC ID inside the battery compartment and write it down. You'll need to refer back to it later in the setup process. Then, install the 9-volt battery into the bridge. Next, you will initialize your bridge to prepare for component enrollment. Locate the buttons on the back of your bridge. Press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously, releasing after 10 seconds. The orange light on the bridge will continue to flash for 10 to 15 seconds. Your Schlage LiNK bridge is now ready for the component enrollment part of your setup process. Please do not plug your bridge into your router or power outlet until after you have enrolled all of your components. Schlage LiNK. Put your home in the palm of your hand.